Okay, today we're going to configure a DHCP on a multifunction device. So we got to set up the network topology. We're going to get 3 computers. And then we need to add a Linksys WRT300N router. And that's going to be in wireless devices. And there's the router. Okay, now we got to connect each PC to the Ethernet port using a straight through cable. So we're going to our connections. We're going to grab a copper straight through. We're going to make it fast Ethernet, and connect it to the Ethernet cable. And get another one for PC1. Fast Ethernet, Ethernet 2, one more time, fast Ethernet, and Ethernet 3. Okay, now we're going to observe and the default DHCP settings. I'm going to click on the router. I'm going to go to the config tab. We're going to change the display name to DHCP enabled router. Get down. And then got that. Now we're going to select the GUI tab. We've got the basic setup here. We need to find the default IP address, and we're going to change that to 192.168.5.1. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the GUI page, click Save Settings, scroll back up to the router IP to ensure the change is made. Okay, now we got to change the default DHCP range of addresses. So starting IP address must match the same as the network Linksys device. So it's going to be 5.1. Okay, we need to change the starting IP address from 526. Change the maximum number of users to 75. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Settings. Scroll back to the DHCP settings to ensure that the change was made. It looks like the change has been made. Close the Linksys configuration window. Now we got to configure DHCP on the client workstations. So we're going to click PC0, Config tab, and we're going to go to Fast Ethernet. Submenu, and we're going to enable DHCP Let's see. Okay. Then we're going to close that. I'm going to click PC1. We're going to choose the desktop. We're going to go command prompt. I'm going to type IP config and press enter. All settings are 0. No IP address assigned statically, and the PC has not obtained an address automatically in DHCP. Okay, so now we have to enable DHCP on PC 1 and 2 using the config tab. Okay. Config. Fast Ethernet. Okay. Close that one, and then we're going to go here and do the same thing. Config, Fast Ethernet, and we're enabling DHCP. Okay. Close that. Now we got to verify connectivity. We're going to click PC1, select desktop, command prompt, and we're going to type IP config and there we go. Now let's ping 192.168.5.1 to ping the Linksys device. Okay, we got a reply. Now we're going to ping 192.168.5.26 to ping PC0. Yep, there we go. Okay. At that, and let's look at our results. It's completed. Everything's correct. That looks good. And that's the end of this recording.